I created one tab to upload all the contacts from a Excel sheet. See here, I am clicking on accounts upload. Here I provided one function to choose the file from our desktop. See, you can see this is my CSV file which contains all the details of one account. Like here I have taken some sample, like as you asked here I created account name, shipping street, shipping city, and shipping state, and shipping postal code, shipping country. These are the sample columns I have taken in a Excel sheet, and from this Excel sheet I created some sample data over here. This is the existing Excel sheet here, and what I am going to do here, see, first I am going to check the contact accounts also. Here there is no accounts with the name of test account A, test account B, and test account C, like this. And now I am going to upload through the input file option. I am choosing the file that exists in my desktop, that is the sample accounts.csv. I am clicking on open. When I upload file, it will collect all the data from the Excel sheet, and when I click on save, all the records are going to be saved in accounts. See, you can get one message, that is the records successfully inserted. When you click on the accounts tab, you will be able to see all the records, test account E, test account D, C, and A. And for this, as part of your second requirement, we need to get all the accounts into which are to be confirmed. As part of first, all the accounts which has come from the CSV file or Excel sheet, those I placed all these records into that is the to be confirmed folder, SFL to be confirmed folder. When you check this one and click here, you will get all the records which are under waiting or to be confirmed. And once I created one more folder or list view here, that is the SFL confirm here, and whatever we created, those are comes under to be confirmed, not yet confirmed over here. I am clicking on A account and I am editing this one and making change the status of this to confirm, because end user will confirm. Once they will confirm from the website, automatically the status we are going to update as confirmed. Once we update this one, and once we go to the accounts and go to the SFL confirm, now it's the test account will comes under the SFL confirm. Like this, when we click on here, we can see this is the confirmed status. And if you want to move one more account like E, click here and edit it and change the status waiting to confirm and click on save. Then go to the accounts tab and select the SFL confirm and click on go. Now you can see the test account which are under the SFL. Now it is not available in to be wait. Now we can see there is no A and E accounts. Like this we can manage and we can differentiate two different type of accounts, that are confirmed accounts and to be confirmed accounts, by creating the list views over here. And see here, if we want to get attachment, or if we want to send an email to the selected one, you can select like this: 1 2 3 I selected, and export through email. Like I can click on this button, those will automatically will comes here. I am entering one email address. This is my email address, like this, and clicking on send. Now you can see, now I will get an email, that is the account here. Once I download it, see, now you can find, I just, for the sample purpose, I just wrapped name and ID itself. There is no billing city, that's why it is showing null as well. And this is the test account A, B and C and D, because I just exported these three only, because here I selected only three. These three only are going to be displayed in this one. And this is one way we can export all our accounts to, we can attach them as a Excel sheet, and we can send to the email. And another way is here, and as we observed in the account tabs itself, we can upload all our contacts, like sample accounts 3, and upload it, and upload file. Now here we can see one email text. In the email we can send like this: now once we send, we will get a message that is file has been successfully sent. Now we can check it in my email. So I got an email from Advanced Knowledge System, so I can see this is my